Lions are the very image of majesty, and indeed of Africa itself. Their strength lies in the power of the pride, their tight-knit family. Lions have ruled the savannas for millennia. And yet, within the last 20 years or so, their numbers have fallen by almost half. As we join them, the very survival of this great dynasty is under threat. Their future depends entirely on the strength and determination of one extraordinary leader. Perhaps the most powerful in the history of the Marsh Pride. A lioness known as Charm.